when you're in a relationship and somebody is unfaithful to you or you think they're unfaithful, you only have two choices in that situation. Either you forgive them or you don't forgive them, and the relationship ends. All right. Are y'all proceeding on the motion?
We are, Judge.
All right. Who is the prosecutor?
Nice young man over here. It is a much probation. I won't forget his name, Judge.
Oh, Jason Garhan.
Yeah. Well, no, not
Oh, Duffy. Duffy.
Duffy. That's right. Yes.
All right. The court is calling 2022 CR 6963 State versus Juan Davila. Could I have parties announce?
Jason Garhan for the state, Your Honor.
Andrew K. Hicks for the defense.
And are you Juan Davila?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Juan Davila who was placed on community supervision and cause number 2022 CR 6963 for the offense of aggravated assault causing serious bodily injury on May 1st, 2023 for a term of 7 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 2 on or about the 21st day of April 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Juan Davila did it then and there, failed to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, or duly authorized agent of the court, violation condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Boom. Right here is the critical moment. He just admitted the violation. In legal terms, that's a plea of true to a probation violation, which is basically the court saying, yep, you messed up. This is where his fate teeters. True or not true? The answer just set the stage for everything that follows. Now, viewers, ask yourself, if you were in his shoes, would you roll the dice and contest it or admit it and hope for mercy?
True.
Right.
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violations.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
And no objections on that, Judge.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 7 years in prison and up to a $600 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor.
Yes.
And this is Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas. The agreed recommendation is to deny the state's motion to continue probationer on probation, but to amend conditions to include a TAP while in custody and add supervision in the ISP unit with IVR call in line for probationers UAs.
Defense?
Judge, that is our understanding of the agreement. And I did also want to speak after this that there was alleged a new number 1 that we do not see in the system. And it's my understanding the state, if the court goes along with this recommendation, does not intend to pursue that new number 1.
That is true.
All right. So does anybody have, just 1 second.
Nice.
Reviewing the court summary?
No objections,
None
Judge.
from the state.
All right. Do you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right. You can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Juan de Dios Davila.
All right, why are you not following through with your drug testing?
Your Honor,
Whoa, pause. This is not just any courtroom confession. This is raw human drama. 25 years of marriage, betrayal, relapse. It's a perfect storm for a judge to weigh. You can almost feel the tension in the room. And legally, he's laying it all on the table. No sugarcoating, no excuses. For the audience, notice how personal life choices collide with legal obligations. It's not just a violation. It's a life story being dissected in real time.
I was with my wife 25 years. Found out she was cheating on me and I relapsed.
All right, so 25 years, how old are you?
I'm 43, man.
All right, so here's the thing. You've been on the planet longer than you've known your wife.
Yes, ma'am.
And you know that you're on probation. You're not supposed to use. And if you think you're going to use, the best thing for you to do is pick up the phone, call your probation officer. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
When you're in a relationship and somebody is unfaithful to you or you think they're unfaithful, you only have two choices in that situation. Either you forgive them or you don't forgive them and the relationship ends.
Correct.
Those are your only choices. So are you still in a relationship with her?
We're getting marriage counseling.
I'm sorry, what?
We're doing marriage counseling.
Okay. Well, here's the thing about relationships. If you're going to forgive somebody for that, you need to forgive them for it. You can't bring it up
Oh, no.
at every time. And every time maybe that you think they're supposed to be home at a specific time because they're like, I'm just going to the store. Can't throw that up and you can't have suspicious minds like the song from Elvis. Can't do it.
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
All right. So in this case, you're looking at 7 years in the prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So you know yourself better than I do, better than your attorney does, better than the probation officer does. I can follow this agreement, or if you would like, I can revoke you and I will sentence you to prison for 3 years. Which do you prefer?
And just like that, decision time. The judge gives him a stark choice. Prison for 3 years or follow the negotiated agreement. This is classic plea negotiation drama in action. High stakes, immediate consequences. The suspense here is like watching a tightrope walker. One wrong move and it's over. Keep an eye on the strategic thinking. Sometimes agreeing to a structured program is smarter than gambling on freedom.
Follow the agreement.
I'm sorry.
To follow the agreement.
All right. So this is what's going to happen. The court will deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions to include the following. TAP evaluation in custody. All right. Do you have gang affiliation?
No, ma'am. No, I honestly I don't.
All right. If you do, now's the time to tell me.
I'm being honest with you, ma'am.
All right. There's going to be a referral to felony drug court in custody. If for some reason felony drug court does not accept him, then follow TAP recommendations. Ms. Abrams, do you want the IVR hotline? Or do you just want to see how he works with the tools we're going to give him to?
But I would like the ISP supervision.
All right, ISP supervision. Is there anything else, probation? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful on this probation?
No, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So who is your spouse?
Veronica and Davila.
Okay. All righty, and make sure you continue to have no contact with O'Kelly. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're
Thank you, Your
welcome.
Honor. May we be excused?
Yes.